Hello, my name is Julia Jasmine. I am 24 years old. I'm a psychology graduate from the University of Indonesia, and I am currently the head of programs at Youthmanual. Youthmanual is a college and career readiness platform. We are working closely with the government and various stakeholders to push the advocacy in building 21st century skills and competency training among youth in Indonesia to increase their work readiness and also the likelihood of employability. On a daily basis, I'm responsible for building and developing the curriculum for Youth Manual Academy. This is an online, personalized, interactive curriculum of 21st century skill consisting of online video training, assessment, worksheet discussion, and mentoring to help empower millions of youth in Indonesia through technology at scale. And I always aspire to be a teacher and trainer in the future, and that is why I'm seeking every opportunity to help enhance my skill in the classroom. And that is why I am applying for this critical thinking workshop held by YSEALI in Thailand. As I deep dive into the world of youth and career planning, I found that the majority of Indonesian youth are not prepared for the skills needed in the digital economy. Specifically, when we talk about digital literacy, information literacy, and of course, critical thinking. And this is an urgent situation, knowing that we will have our demographic bonus in the future, in the 2030. And by participating in this YSEALI Critical Thinking in Classroom workshop, I want to learn from the expert on how to build, to trigger, and to engage students in critical thinking. Additionally, I'm excited to learn from the other participants and sharing knowledge and exchange information about the education. And of course, in the near future, I'm applying for the Master of Education, and that is why it could be very beneficial for me. Upon returning in Indonesia, I hope to have a better understanding on how to build critical thinking, and which I believe could also allow us to help push the government on the importance of the skills, as well as advocating it to others. And additionally, I will use my knowledge to improve Youth Manual Academy to impact others in a massive scale through our offline and online trainings. Thank you.